Okay. Hello everyone. Optical communication. Anna University online examination. Important multiple choice questions with answers. First question. Which among the following is responsible for generating attenuation of optical power in fiber? Option D is the correct answer. All of the above. Absorption, scattering, waveguide, effect. Option D is the correct answer. All of the above. Next question. Which among the following represent the measures to minimize the homogeneities for scattering reduction? Option D is the correct answer. All of the above is the correct answer. Next question. Dash responsible for an extrinsic absorption. Impurity atom in glass material is the correct answer. Next question. Attenuation will increase if we increase fiber length. Fiber length is the correct answer. The dispersion reduces the dash fiber bandwidth. Linear scattering effects are dash non-elastic. Next question. Multimode graded index fibers are used dash intermodal dispersion. Intermodal dispersion is the correct answer. Multimode graded index fiber are used to reduce the intermodal dispersion is the correct answer. Next question. Dash dash single mode fiber are used in telecommunication companies. True. Next question. Single power loss during the transmission in a fiber is called attenuation. Attenuation is the correct answer. Next question. Which among the following is regarded as inelastic scattering of Raman effect? Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Cable attenuation is usually expressed in terms of decibel per kilometer is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. 15th question. A fiber optic cable has loss of 15 decibel kilometer. The attenuation in cable 100 feet long is dash 4.57 decibel is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Fiber optic cable dash with attenuation of 1.8, 3.4, 5.9 and 18 decibel are linked together. The total loss is dash. Option C is the correct answer. 29.1 is the correct answer. 29.1 decibel is the correct answer. Next question. In Carrier effect, induced index change as proportionality with respect to dash square of electric field. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. The loss in single power as light travels down a fiber is called dash. Option D. Attenuation is the correct answer. Dispersion is used to describe the dash of white light into its components colors. Splitting is the correct answer. Cable attenuation is usually expressed in terms of dash decibel per kilometer is the correct answer. Reduction in strength of the single cast by folded dipole bends is called dash band loss. Next question. Product of the bandwidth and distance is called dash fiber bandwidth is the correct answer. Missing molecules oxygen defect in glass result. Absorption loss is the correct answer. The modal noise can be reduced. Option D. Using fiber with large numerical aperture is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. How many categories of nonlinear effect are seen in optical fiber? Option B. 2 is the correct answer. Attenuation and bending of fiber are optical fiber loss is the correct answer. Rayleigh scattering and absorption are the dominant loss mechanism. In negative dispersion fiber, the variant of dash or shifted. Non-zero dispersion is the correct answer. The variant of non-zero dispersion shifted fiber is called dash. Negative dispersion fiber is the correct answer. Next question. Dispersion shifted single mode fiber are created by dash. Option D. Decreasing fiber core diameter and increasing fractional index difference is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Dash result from a case of nonlinear dispersion compensation in which the nonlinear dispersion compensation in which nonlinear shift caused by self-phase modulation balances postpone the temporal include by group velocity delay. Soliton propagation is the correct answer. Next question. An optical fiber behaves as the medium due to difference is dash. Effective RI and core geometry is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. The beat length in a single mode. This is 2 mark multiple choice question. The beat length in a single mode optical fiber is 8 cm when light from a laser with a peak wavelength 0.6 μm is launched into estimate the modal Option A, 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 is the correct answer. Next question. A polarization maintaining fiber operates at the wavelength 1.2 nm and have 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. Calculate the period of option B, 0.6 seconds is the correct answer. Polarization model noise can dash performance of communication system. Degrade is the correct answer. How many categories of non-linear characters are seen in optical fiber? 2 category. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Estimate RMS pulse broadening per kilometer due to intermodal dispersion for model stability index. Fiber length of fiber 4 km and pulse broadening per kilometer is 80.6 ns. Option B, 20.15 ns per kilometer is the correct answer. What is the dispersion in optical fiber? Option B, broadening of light pulse along the channel is the correct answer. Next question. Dash dispersion is caused by difference in propagating times of light rays that take different paths down in fiber. Model dispersion is the correct answer. Material dispersion is caused by dash. Wavelength dependence of the index of refraction is the correct answer. 44. In wavelength dispersion, Ri is independent of dash. Wavelength is the correct answer. This is 2-mark important problem. This is problem. The mean optical power launched into a 8 km length of fiber, 240 nu W. The mean optical power of the fiber output is 6 nu W. Determine the overall signal attenuation is decibel through a fiber, assuming there are no connector or slices. Option 22 decibel. The signal attenuated per kilometer of the fiber 4 decibel kilometer. Same 2-mark question. The overall signal attenuation for 10 km optical link using the same fiber with spaces of 1 km intervals each, giving an attenuation of 1 decibel. 49 decibel is the answer. And next question. The last due to spaces dash 9 decibel is the answer. And last one, the numerical input output power ratio as calculated in dash 882 is the correct answer. Okay, these all questions are very important. This question is useful for online examination as well as if you're preparing for GATE examination, transit examination, competitive examination. So many basic concepts, basic questions contained in this video. Optical communication book product link I given in the description box. You will use it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel Chrome. Share this video to your friends. Optical communication book product link, buying link I given in the description box. You will use it. Share this video to your friends. Next video we will see more important questions. Thank you.